Hey folks, Gary Dean here with Sentiment Timing, and this is our technical video report for Monday, April 13th, 2026. So today was pretty much just a good old-fashioned short squeeze, and I got this one wrong today. I was seeing the selling going on, and we just kept grinding higher. There was really very little pullbacks. It was actually a very boring day for the most part, where we had the gap down, and then it was just grinding higher the entire day on it. And like I said, I was seeing selling. We had divergences on the 15-minute chart, which you can see with our duration indicator. And again, and we had just all up. Hang on one second. Okay, so, we really were just seeing selling the entire day, but the dips were very, very shallow, and we just saw nonstop, the price is moving higher. So I got this one wrong today. I didn't trade it well. It happens. We're not going to be right every single day. But as I said, institutions could be wrong, but they're not going to be wrong for that long. And, if you notice, we were seeing nonstop buying down here. We got the jerk and then, to jump up. And if you notice, this has been just about all out selling here with a couple buys along the way. But this is a little bit concerning. Again, we have the duration divergences in place. If we go to a 60-minute chart, we have, again, these divergences in place. We have duration that's at, full duration to the downside. And again, it's just been all out selling, really, from this move here. And we had a couple high volume spikes here. But if we notice just with the liquidity divergence indicator, that this was it's been really nonstop selling. So I am, the crazy part is we're actually not too far from the all-time highs now. We had everybody that was complaining about with the Iran and stuff, and now we're less than 10 points away on the spiders to make a new all-time highs. So I still am on the side that I think it's going to be a little bit of a rut. I don't think it's going to be as easy as the bulls have had it in the past, and I wouldn't be surprised to see some backing and filling and at least closing some of these gaps before, even if we do make new all-time highs, it's I just don't know how sustainable it's going to be. But what we're going to trade what the matrix is showing us, and today it was showing selling. We just didn't really get too much of a of any type of pullback. So this is concerning for me. I'm not, as much as I've been saying we're going to be making it to new all-time highs, and I still do believe that. I think we're going to be a lot higher come the end of the year. But the problem, right now is where institutions are doing the exact opposite of what the price is doing. So we got to pay attention and just be ready to start looking on the short side. So again, 15-minute chart, this is really what got me, where, we were seeing selling, and we've been seeing selling really from this, I would say, from right around, when we had this pop right here. Notice it's just been nonstop selling. So again, I'm not looking to be a total bear on this market, but I'm saying there's there's definitely some concerns here, especially with the divergences as well as the all-out selling. So if we come up, here's our target, 693.70, and that's if we can stay above the 684, which we did today. So this would be the next target, and that's coming off of our, that when we came down and tested our institution or our primary accumulation zone. So here's our upside targets. And again, 5-minute chart, this is really what got me and why I was leaning on the short side with the spiders is we had high volume selling, we have divergences, but we just kept going straight up on it. So again, I'm a little skeptical about this move right now, and that's it. I'm not looking to become bearish or overly bearish. I just think that I'd rather be buying when we're seeing institutions buy. So let's take a look at IWM. a fantastic day, up 1.4%. 265, we had the highs at 271, so this is within spitting distance of new all-time highs. But like I was showing you on the spiders, is this has been all out selling right here. So to me, I'd rather be looking to to find some type, where the mark, where we're going to see the indexes stop moving up and then take out support to get short, because again, I do believe we're going to come down and close some of these gaps before the next real move to the upside is. So taking a look at the 15-minute chart, again, just look at all the selling, and all it was producing was little pullbacks before we spiked higher. And again, this is just all out selling. So I'm same as with the spiders, I'm a little skeptical with this move that happened today, and I'm really would be more interested in looking on the short side than I would the long side with the selling on it. So 5-minute chart, nothing really changed from this. We had this spike right here, this buy right here, and then from there it was all out selling. We have divergences. So again, I'm a little skeptical. I would continue to try to look on the short side, but I really do want to see some type of support fail before doing it, because there's a lot of people that are getting squeezed this market, and the problem is that once they're done getting squeezed, what happens next? So let's see what plays out tomorrow. Enjoy the rest of your night, and I'll talk to you guys in the morning.